So I don't know if you can see, but like right there, they're picking up a trailer that got blown over the edge of the Badlands where we're staying. How I woke everyone up at 2:30 because it was windy and I was scared. Yeah. So just be careful when you're up here. South Dakota. At first I thought it was a little touristy, but if you make your way to the backyard, I think is what it's called, there is a like a little play area for the kids and a little tiny Mount Rushmore, and we got ice cream. So if you are visiting Badlands National Park, definitely if you can, make a trip out here and visit Waldrug. It's a dinosaur! It's a dinosaur, Bubby. You want to go see the dinosaur? Look. Jeremiah's waving to him. You see it?
It's looking at you.
Ice cream? Alright, let's go get some ice cream. See one?
I think we are about to see some.
I think I just saw one too. I like to see one.
Oh wow.
Okay.
You guys are freaking out for the long distance range?
Yes.
In 1 mile, take a slight right turn onto Mount Rushmore National Memorial.
You can just take
made
a
it
picture.
to Mount Rushmore, and Daddy says we don't even have to go because we're parked right and we can see it from our parking lot, or from our parking spot. But are you guys ready to go see some presidents?
Yes.
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 To be the first presidents I've ever met.
I have my camera.
So we made it to Mount Rushmore, but the place where you walk down to the flags and stuff is under construction, so we weren't able to walk down that way. So we're walking this little trail. It's like 0.6 of a mile to go try to get a better view. So we'll see how that goes.
Hi, welcome to the Badlands.
Yes. We are driving through the Badlands, and it is one of the craziest places we have ever been. It doesn't seem real. We're staying right on the rim, but we're not staying like where you see everyone else in the pictures. We're not staying like right on the rim. We're like a little bit further back because Mama was a little scared driving up there. The first night we were there, the winds were like 17, 18 miles per hour, and it was shaking the trailer, and you could hear it, and it woke me up at like 2:30 in the morning, and I woke Joseph up, and we woke everyone else up, and we got in the truck in there for, I don't know, until the sun came up, because I was scared. So just make sure you're careful and do your research and make sure that you're not up there when it's storming, because the winds get serious. There was a trailer that got blown off the side of the rim that we saw on our way up there. Definitely worth it to come out here. It has been probably my favorite place we've ever been.
called the Badlands?
No, why?
Because in Indian tribes they called it Badland because it didn't have water.
Oh, that's smart. a really easy hike with the kids. Go on Fossil Creek trail. It's super easy. It's really short, and then there's like a big open area where the kids can just play, and it's kind of off the trail, but we've just been playing and it's been so fun. So we had to call this trip a little bit earlier than we wanted to. It's gonna start storming and getting windy again, and we don't want to get stuck. So I'm really sad. This has been probably my favorite location that we've been to yet, and it's free. But so we're headed out today. But it's equally as nerve-wracking as it is beautiful. And I don't want to leave. I'm kind of sad. So we're just like walking along the trail here before we leave, and then we're heading, I think, to Custer, South Dakota. I think.
Custer, South Dakota.
Yeah, so just be careful when you're coming and make sure you're planning and checking the weather. We wanted to stay a week, but we're only going to be staying about 5 days. We are staying, I think I forgot to tell you guys where we're staying. We're staying at Nomad View Dispersed. It's not a campground, it's just like free parking, basically free camping along the rim of the Badlands, and you can stay here up to 14 days. There is a place to get water. There's no place to dump, but we've been getting water in Wall at the gas station, so we've been able to make it for almost 6 days, which has been awesome.